you can see it's in an apex. It's in this compression phase, just like RSR was, and RSR is now moving hard to the upside. So what it kind of implies is if there's a dip, and I don't know if there will be a dip, um, obviously RSR, the white 100 moving average was rock solid, and it held price and probably bounced, no point guessing, 70% from there. And that's only the start of it, maybe. Look at this volume from PayPal, well, PayPal News or whatever else, but this volume is huge, monsters. Um, who knows, XRP might get some PayPal news as well. You never know. But this is on the verge of a breakout, right? It's I like this pattern in a way, and I made this weeks ago, and it's been consolidating here for weeks. But this is actually a head and shoulders pattern in a way, and you can see that obviously with this downtrend line seems like it's held forever now. But we are finally into an apex here, and you know, a lot of times when you get this sort of drop back off the first touch of the apex, sometimes the second one can actually roll and 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 make that breakout. Now, can XRP do that? I really don't know. I mean, it's XRP. This bloody thing never goes higher with all the printing and selling coins and all the rest. But it is very interesting, guys. If XRP has been very interesting, you have to say it is now. If it has never been very interesting, it is now. Um, Definitely intriguing. Look at this. We are also moved into this compression phase. Now, a lot of these other coins, like FET, look here at FET. When it moves into the apex of the white 100 moving average, you know, it explodes out of that. It consolidates underneath that, and then it explodes, absolutely explodes higher. So any strength back up, this little U shape, right? A little U shape here, and then it starts to break up, and then it absolutely explodes and goes on a tear. XRP is in that position as well, and it actually, it really looks very bullish. Look at the volume pickup down here as well. I know XRP bloody never runs, and people think it's gonna. People always think it's gonna move, and it doesn't move. But the setup here is really, really interesting, and it's got a lot of potential to run. If it runs, it's hitting this 80 cent level.